Hi, this video is about enrolling your bank to Gcash for you to be able to cash in the future. Of course, you need to log in first in your Gcash through mobile app. Once logged in, tap the hamburger menu at the top left area of your screen. Then this menu will appear and then tap My Linked Accounts. You will be redirected to the linked accounts of your Gcash, where Gcash MasterCard, Amex, PayPal, G-Credit, and BPay accounts are connected. Now tap My Debit Cards. This is where you can add or remove your linked debit cards. So if you want to remove, you can just simply tap the card that you want to remove and then click Remove Card. Then confirm to remove. Now you have successfully removed your link card. Next is we're going to add a new card. Please note that you can only add 3 debit cards and prepaid cards are not allowed. And now to add card, tap Add Card. And then you will be directed to a page where you're going to input the details of your card. Once done, tap Add Card. And after that one, you will be redirected through a 3D Secure page for MasterCard or Visa card. This is to help you protect from fraud or unauthorized usage of your card. Usually the bank will send you an OTP or one-time password that you will input in a 3D Secure page to proceed. Once successful, you can now use your bank to cash in to Gcash. Thank you for watching.